Today, I'm explaining how Forex prop firms work with a clear, simple walkthrough. No confusion. First, what is a Forex prop firm? A proprietary trading firm or prop firm is a company that lets you trade their money instead of your own. You don't deposit large capital, you prove your skill first. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. The evaluation challenge. You pay a one-time fee to enter a trading challenge. The firm sets rules like a profit target, a maximum daily loss, and a maximum total drawdown. Your goal is to hit the profit target without breaking the rules. Step 2. Risk management test. Prop firms don't care about crazy wins. They want consistency and discipline. One big loss can fail the challenge instantly. Step 3. Verification phase. Some firms require a second phase where you trade more calmly with lower targets to confirm your strategy isn't luck. Step 4. Get funded. Once you pass, you receive a funded account. This can range from $10,000 to over $200,000 depending on the firm. Step 5. Profit split. You keep 70% to 90% of the profits, and the firm takes the rest. Losses come out of their capital, not yours. Important reality check. If you break the rules, the account is gone. No refunds. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.